I'm heading into Busch Gardens, and I just noticed a baby bird on the car. This is that road that I put in. It's where they're working. It's got the bulldozer going. Yeah, there's a bird. I'm gonna have to get low. Before I get to the hard road, I'll get off and put him someplace. That's that house that I just rented. I don't want to see that. That's a tree I just planted. And it didn't come. It's coming out at the bottom. It's another one I just planted. They're on Craigslist for $35. This is a property line over there. There's another house. I got another road that goes out on the other side. I don't know what to do about the little bird. He's riding along pretty good. I guess he fell out of the nest over the car. I guess I'll pull over here. Oops, just went over stump. That's 672. Do something with that bird. Okay, there's a little bird again. There's my car. Property. Reggie posted those signs. I don't know what to do now. I can't drive off with that bird there. I might be late for Busch Gardens today. I don't think anybody will believe this. Yeah. Oh, there's the bird. That's where I put him. I probably should take him back to where the tree that he fell out of. Because he doesn't have his mother here. Anyway, at least I did that much. Back to the car.